This is Tim and Katrina Stone with Chart of the Unknown. We've been traveling up the East Coast and we've gotten pretty far and continuing on up. And so I hope that you like this video as we go through DC, Annapolis, and Philadelphia. Thanks again for watching, and I hope that you like, follow, and subscribe. Enjoy!
Gonna go to Washington, place I never have gone before.
Hey bub, it was delicious. That's who recommended that place, and we ate there. We shared a burger and some fries, and it was really good. That was fun, DC. Headed out.
Berlin still sleeping, clouds on the ceiling. Me, I roll the naked streets. The old Turkish fellows, they're smoking their tobacco. And oh, what a perfume it brings. The first rays of sun
He's over there with the duckies.
appear over the buildings. I'm going to the water to watch diamonds dancing and gaze at the trees. Part of me is free, a part of me is not.
That right there
Part of me
is
is
a train
gone.
track bridge.
At a midnight dot, my brain wants to leave, my body wants to stay. Somehow my soul is blown away. The first rays of sun appear over the buildings. I'm going to the water to watch diamonds dancing and gaze at the trees and gaze at the trees.
At first I smelled chocolate and then it smelled really hard.
You got a whiff from the next door factory, and that used to be the Titanic.
No way. Are you being serious?
I don't think so.
It looks ginormous like the Titanic.
It's too late now to turn around and back again. I made my bed and now I lay my head in it. And I'm sorry I'm not perfect, but I knew that I wouldn't be. I guess it's for the best, you know the worst in me. I'm no good at being good, but I never said I was. And I feel misunderstood, cause I'm trying hard to love. I'm sorry, my actions, they haunt me, and I'll never live it down. I'm no good at being good, but I never said I was.
Motored through, we got mud like all up in the engine motor. But it's good now, it cleaned out whenever we backed up. But now I'm paddling through so we don't ruin our
Record
engine.
your voice so I can listen back again. And I'm sorry I'm not perfect, but I knew that I wouldn't be. I guess it's for the best, you know the worst in me.
Cape May. We're gonna go into that inlet over there and anchor up.
And I feel misunderstood, cause I'm trying hard to love. I'm sorry, my actions, over broken plans so we can start again. Won't turn down a second chance. I'm too selfish for that. I let you fall again. Now that you know that I'm no good at being good, but I never said I was.
Join us next week as we go to New York.
And I feel misunderstood, cause I'm trying hard to love. I'm sorry, my actions, they haunt me, and I'll never live it down.
And watch the boat. And go to New York. Because we thought about anchoring, but it's not as bad on the weather